Why is it when people ask us what do we do or who we are, that one of the preliminary answers that we answer and talk about is the job that you do, where you work? Is that who you are? Is that what defines you? The job that you do, the place where you earn money, or oh god, pretty heavy snow again, sorry. Does that define you as a person? It doesn't define me. My life, what I do to earn money, does not define me as a person, of what I do and what I base my life upon. And that's what I would ask you, is when people ask you who you are, what's the first things you tell them? You tell, I work in the marketing department of such and such a company, or I'm a sales representative for something. That's not who you are. That's what you do to earn money. And then I think the problem is that people identify themselves with a job that they do, how successful they are, or how much money they earn, status, whatever job they're doing. And you know, that doesn't, you know, you're a happy person, you're energetic, you enjoy running, you are a loving and caring, giving person, that you want to make a better change in the world. So when next time someone asks you, or if you think about it yourself right now, who are you? Try and, you know, disidentify yourself with the work that you do. You know, and also work life, that's not what stimulates me in life. I'm not stimulated to, by the end of the year, hello, I'm not motivated to work till I'm 65 for a company. That's not my life. If I look back at my life and I say that my life was working for such and such an organization, I don't think you're going to be talking about that. You're going to say, what did you do in your life? Oh, I worked here, I worked there, I did this. That is just so... I tell you what spurred this on in a way, is because the other day I was catching up with an old friend that I used to work with in Paris, and we hadn't spoken for a while, and she said, how are you? And I started to reply and said, yeah, I'm good, thanks, and I'm still working in this job. And I thought, why am I explaining that I still work in this job? That's not how I am. That's not who I am. So who are you? What defines you as a person? I think that's the question you need to ask.